Hi, I'm Mr. D and welcome again to my kitchen. Today I'm cooking in my thermal cooker a true classic, and it's the perfect meal to take with you when you're travelling. So do stay tuned for my take on Chinese clay pot chicken rice. So the first thing we're going to do is put our inner pot on a medium heat, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now I'm going to add the Chinese sausage, the garlic and the ginger. Now I need this to cook for 3 or 4 minutes, and during that time I'll just occasionally give it a stir. Okay, that's been cooking for 4 minutes now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the chicken and all the marinade. Now I'm going to add the chicken stock. I'm also going to add the mushrooms. And about 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And just let this come to the boil, and once it's to the boil I'm going to let it boil for a few minutes before I then add the rice. Okay, now that's come to the boil, I'm going to now just add the rice. And stir that rice in. Just going to let that boil for a couple of minutes. Put its lid on. So it's ready now to put in the outer pot. And now that's cooking, I'll leave that there for 2 to 3 hours in the thermal cooker. If I wanted to leave it longer because I was on a journey, that wouldn't be a problem. It could go 5, maybe even 6 hours easily. The pot is almost completely full. So there's my version of Chinese clay pot chicken and rice cooked in a thermal cooker.